Oh, it's even lower.
Position will be taken up by half a customer.
What? 75, 80. 75. 60, 70.
In New York, it's now nearly noon, and they're already jumping into the market again. But not because they want to.
Hi, this is a CMI. Can I have a dollar mark, please?
While Richard can hang on, they're being forced to quit as their marks fall.
95.
Yeah, at 93.
Those other people that I told you about. Yeah. And those are the ones
This bank is playing around, he says.
Just checking around the market now, we found out some Eastern Bloc countries were buying dollars and selling pounds very aggressively. And so basically we're just forced out of the position. That's something we have no control over, and we had to take a loss. We took about an $80,000 loss. If we hadn't gotten out of it so quickly, it would have probably been a loss $130,000, $150,000. And just one of those things you have no control over, and we just try to take our losses quite quickly. With the kind of trading we've done this morning, it's better to be at lunch.
The market being very tonight?
It's just erratic, up and down and choppy.
Ronnie and Brad's loss for the day so far totals $70,000. Now they're out at lunch, wooing a prospective client. An inevitable question soon comes up.
One of the very touchy areas that the Middle Easterners usually ask is the fee structure. Could you sort of elaborate on that a little more?
Yeah, of course, there is a fixed management fee. And then we have an incentive fee, performance fee,
yes.
Which we charge once a year.
Now that cuts in when you reach a certain figure, I suppose.
Right. That's on a graduated scale, which basically amounts to levels around 20-25% of the profits. So the fees are, of course, a little bit high, but...
Sure, but the growth is so dynamic, I think the fees are sort of overshadowed by...
Yeah. Don't forget we work 24 hours.
Right.
Good night, Neil.
In the 10 exhausting hours that Richard's been at work, the pound has moved up and down 2 cents. He's made just under £100,000 for the bank, buying and selling 750 million of them. How does he feel about handling such huge sums?
Oh, no, really. To be honest, I never really thought about it, because you do it every day. It just comes naturally.
But surely his antics affect the pound.
Long term, we can't have that much influence on the market. I mean, it depends so much on commercial demand. Day to day, we can probably move the rate our favour, but as I say, nothing dramatic long term.
The guy is like unbelievable. I can't take it. I'm trying to help him. I'm telling him we were giving dollars elsewhere at 20. Oh, well, that was before you called me. Idiot.
In New York, they're getting edgy.
Did you leave a limit order? Talk to me about a rate. Did you leave anything, or you just told him to execute?
Just do it.
Do it.
They want to sell marks, but they keep missing the moment.
They should call out and ask a price.
$30 bid and given.
Okay, we pay 30.
All right, raise my bid to 30. I'll pay 30.
But this late afternoon trading is just it's getting to be a casino. So whoever buys the next, buys or sells 100 million, and just moves it one big figure, and it means nothing, you know. I mean, as far as the next 24 hours. Just makes everybody run, they get in, they get out. Always at the bottom of the top, and...
It's unbelievable.
Do you know what it is?
Okay, I'll leave it.
By the end of the day, Ronnie was lucky. The afternoon position with a loss turned to a profit, and he broke even. Ronnie, Richard and William, between them, made over £100,000 through this day, buying and selling more than $1 billion. They made some of that money from other dealers, but most of it comes from companies who need foreign exchange for investment and trade, and even from holidaymakers on their way abroad. The banks provide all of them with a good, busy marketplace, but by dealing so much with each other, they add to the speculative froth of what has become a very wild business. It's the price the world pays for a free market in money.